guys, it's me, Michelle. I'm back again. You might notice from my last video, same outfit, same makeup look. It's because I'm filming it on the same day because we are trying to get that content, but that's okay. So, the VIB Sephora sale has been upon us, and I have bought things. Not a lot of things, but I probably shouldn't have gotten them anyways because I have no money, but that doesn't matter because I am going to show you what I actually got. So, the first two items that I got was the Sephora Favorites kits, and I especially love them, and if they're discounted, they're even a better price because I feel like you do get a bang for your buck. The first one I got was the Sephora Give Me More Lip Kit. It's got 8 lip glosses, lip sticks. It's like a mixture of lip glosses, lipsticks, and then the matte lipsticks. And it says, find your perfect holiday red and nude. Collection features 3 full-size and 5 deluxe-size lip products in different formulas and finishes, which is very true. And I feel like because you get NARS, there's Patrick Ta, Too Faced Melted, Fenty Beauty, Ilia, Kat Von D, YSL, and Makeup Forever, you do get a range of products that usually would cost so much more to get a full size. And let's get real, no one really finishes a full size lipstick or like a lip gloss or whatever you're using. No one really does it. So that's why I always recommend picking this up, especially for Christmas. If you have someone who's a makeup lover, this is it. I have tried some of them. You guys have seen me use the NARS Total A lipstick, which is currently on my lips right now. But I'll do I've already given away 2 of them. The Fenty Beauty and the Too Faced, which you will not see a swatch of because they were way too light. So if you're my color or maybe even darker than me, those colors are not for you. They're very like orangey and very nude and very light. So it's not a good time. The Patrick Ta one is too, but I'm trying to make it work before I give it away. Because, you know, it's Patrick Ta. I want to keep it. The next one I have is, excuse me, I've already unloaded all of these. So this one has, what does it have in here? It has my, not hairsprays, my dry shampoos, because reuse, recycle, renew, I don't know what the saying is, but you get it. And this has all my bikinis and my swimsuits in it. But this is the Sephora Favorite Lash Tash Mascara Wardrobe, and it has 2 full mascaras and 1 velour mini me effortless what do you call these fake eyelashes. And at the back it says this set includes must-haves needed to create your perfect lash: 7 mascaras, a lash primer, lash enhancing serum, and a set of false lashes featuring formulas that lengthen, volume, enhance, curl, and define. Now, a lot of these mascaras are very pricey, so if you pay the $63 price tag, I feel like it's worth it because a mini one would be $5 or $6, which is equivalent to a drugstore. So you are getting what you pay for. And I think it's like every either 3 or 6 months you're supposed to change out your mascara. So, technically, you're not even supposed to be keeping your mascara for that long anyways. I don't because I have eye problems. So, I like to keep my mascaras as clean as possible and make sure that the bacteria isn't fully grown in there. So, I always find these ones a very good price for it. And I'll tell you which ones we have here. You have Pat McGrath, Too Faced Better Than Sex, Anastasia, Ilia, Bad Girl Bang by Benefit, Surfer Curl by Tarte C, Lancome, which is the Booster XL one, which makes your lashes, I think, white. It's like the white serum one. Lash Freak by Urban Decay, and we have something called Blink, and it's a mascara amplifier. which I think is like this, looks like it might be the serum. Oh, it's a full size. Oh, it's just mascara amplified in black. So, who knows? But it basically lasts me the entire year, probably a little bit more, until I get a new kit and a new replacement. So, it works out for me. And the last two are skincare items. These two items I actually really needed. I needed a new balm, a cleansing balm. No, sorry, I didn't need a new cleansing balm. I needed a new skin cleanser, and I have the CeraVe one in my bathroom right now. I'm almost done with my Kate Somerville one, so I thought, why not pick up a new one, and it's the Sephora AMA amino acid gel clean skin gel. Whoa, can't even talk. Basically going to be my second cleanse. I do right now. I'm currently using the Versed cleansing balm, but I don't think I'll buy it again because you have to stick your fingers in, and I don't have like a spatula to use, and I don't really want to buy a spatula. So I think that might be my first and my last bottle. So to replace it eventually, I have the Inkley List Oat Cleansing Balm, which has amazing reviews. Everyone raves about it, and I thought I think it was $12.99, so whatever 10% off that is, I thought that was a big bottle, and it's way bigger than the ordinary one, so I definitely want to give this a try. And the back says 3% oat oil helps maintain skin moisture levels, smooth and deep cleans pores, and 1% oat powder helps protect and alleviate dry and cracked skin. Use AM and PM. Gently massage a small amount onto damp face and skin. So it looks really good. And the carton, tube, and cap are recyclable. That's cool. The Inkley List has been a very highly raved on TikTok, and I always accidentally liked one ad for it, and now I keep getting the ads. That's okay. We're okay with that. And that is basically what I got from the Sephora VIB sale. And I am very happy with my purchases. They will be lasting me a very long time. I feel like I won't be getting any new makeup for a very long time just because I kind of have my lipsticks. I have my mascara. I don't really need any more eye products. I mean, I'll say that about now until we hit January and I'm like, I saw something. I'm going to show you. Let's see how it works. But other than that, I feel like December I won't be buying anything else. But Black Friday is just around the corner, so we'll see how that works. But that's all for now. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in another video. Bye!